I've been in the door-to-door industry for about 15 years now. Door-to-door is pretty competitive. It's kind of hard to grasp that customer's attention. If I could put a trainer physically out with every single person, their business would scale up, but you're using, you have to have a lot of people. Siro removes that. We can say, okay, I know you did our training, but now I can actually hear and listen and know you really are saying our pitch. Or I can go in there and say, hey, no, you're not. And I don't have to travel out to help you, or our trainers don't have to travel out to help you. But our retention rate from those that come on from day one selling Siro is significantly higher. As long as you're willing to listen and be coached, their numbers are going up instantly. Scorecards have worked great because now our agents can see, hey, how do I rank versus this person? And it helps keep them hungry and say, hey, this guy's selling a ton. Here's his scorecard, here's mine, how do I get up there? They love the AI tools. So after a pitch, just saying, hey, what could I have done better here? I can teach it in a classroom and everybody's like, yeah, sure. I bet that's how you really do it when you're out there. But when you have those live Siros, you can say, okay, now let's go back. Let me show you exactly, this is how I did it. And here's the proof, and here's the proof that it worked. Every 2 or 3 days, I'm getting my leaders tell me like, hey, I need a few more Siros for my team. Like everybody's using it. And I'm say, hey man, we got to take our subscription up, because when you don't have Siro, you don't have any of those tools to hear what they're saying out on the doors. And you don't have anyone that can go out there, put them on their hip and walk them through it. It's paid for itself over and over again on the training side, retention, handling escalations, really having a vision of what's going on out there. It's helped us grow to completely different levels. If you want to grow your business and scale your business, it's a tool that you need. We want to continue to grow. We want to continue to expand in different markets, and whether we're going over big hurdles, small hurdles, we're tackling them together. You got to be on Siro.